What's going on, crypto sports fans? Clay Albright here. I want to catch you up on the last few weeks and what's been going on here at EOS USA. In fact, there's about 4 things that I want to catch you up on, 2 of which I can just tell you about. But 2 I want to show you today. Let me first start off by saying welcome to Michael Bohnen and Leslie Haas to the EOS USA team. We are so happy to have you. Michael, everyone, will be working on our tech. He is an engineer by trade and very excited to have him. Leslie is a social media personality that we have hired specifically to interview other block producers so that we can show the world what EOS is doing. And today I want to take a minute and catch everyone up on what's happening on this side of the fence because we have been very, very, very busy. Our first stop will visit Trace Blockchain's warehouse facility, where I will show you the new EOS USA server. The cool thing about Trace is it's not far away. Literally a couple miles and we're there. Okay, well, we made our first stop. You know, I wish I could get bonus points for advertising these people. My partner David has his company Trace Blockchain, and it is a Bitcoin mining operation as well as other altcoins. But there is office space in this warehouse. And Trace Blockchain has partnered with EOS USA. They are paying for us to have office space in this warehouse. And what we have done is over the last several weeks, we have designed a studio that we can film for EOS USA. And a green screen room, sorry, that's what I meant to say, a green screen room. And I want to take you over there and I want to show you that, but I want to show you something even more important, which is the EOS USA server rack. It is up, it is complete. We are so excited. And Michael has spent several days rebuilding the EOS server. We call it the EOS server. With all of our new hardware now. So, and I don't know all the details on the hardware. I'm going to let Michael, explain a lot of that to you. But I will say that it is so cool, so cool. So here we are at Trace Blockchain. I want to show you our new EOS server that we have set up in this warehouse. So come on. Come on over, I'll show you guys this real quick.
This is so freaking cool. Awesome.
These are all Bitcoin mining machines. This rack, every one of these, they're going to set up to look just like this one.
Oh, wow.
Come around and show you this. These are Bitcoin miners. They're called ant miners. Come on in. He's got... These are my filmographers, Riley and Kaylee. Let's guys take a look, get a shot of this real quick, and then we're going to talk a little bit about it.
See.
Right?
Yeah. So that is actually running on this computer right here. I'm trying to get these drives going. Basically, I'm about to upgrade this. NodeOS 1.5 came out. So we're basically going to start from scratch, obviously the same wallet and everything, but build this just from the ground up.
When we brought you on board, it was because you're capable of...
Well, basically, I'm a jack of all trades, master of none, right? So I do outsource consulting for all level of clients, even from the small business or all the way up to the multi-billion-dollar enterprise. Understanding the concept of applications, talking to other applications, it's all ones and zeros and bits and bytes to me. So
right.
Ultimately, just bring that base knowledge and my passion for I like fixing stuff. It's all a game, So, like I say, I happen to be a crypto nerd too. That kind of ties in pretty well.
I want to first shake your hand and say thank you. I'm glad to have you on the team.
What?
Oh,
So
we're getting fancy.
Our EOS USA News and doing interviews with block producers, Block One, other important figures in the EOS community so we can share with them what's going on with EOS USA and the rest of the world. Look at me.
What's HODL stand for?
HODL. Hold on for dear life.
I like